Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to use the Canva content planner in 2025 so you can create, schedule and publish your social media posts directly from Canva. No more downloading files and jumping between tools. Canva makes it easy, like super easy, to plan your content calendar in one place. So ready? Let's dive in. First of all, what is the Canva content planner actually is? First, what is it? The Canva content planner is a built-in feature that lets you plan and visualize your social media calendar, then design posts right inside Canva, schedule them to auto-publish to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. Let me give you a bonus tip, that is, it is available on Canva Pro. So you will need a Canva Pro plan to use these scheduling features. But unfortunately, I am on a free plan that's really hard to do the similar work here, but I will try my best to give you the practical way to do it. So let's go and access the content planner. So you just need to log into your Canva account. On the left side bar, you just need to click over here, apps or content planner. You will find out this is the content planner. As you can see it directly, if you see it, you will see a calendar view. Here you can see this is the calendar view, and each day show what's schedule, as you can see it. So you will see a calendar view, each day show that what's scheduled. Then this is where you will plan your post for the whole month or week. So let's go to the new month, click to June, July, and here you can see all the month are available. So now I'm going to create a new post. So to add a new post, like you can do this kind of a thing, like add a event to calendar, publish an Instagram post, connect social media account, publish a social media post, take social media lesson from that place. So here I am going to click on, then here I will give a title, script, image. You can add other thing if you feel to add it, you can add it. Then here you can choose the posts, like you can create a post. Here it is a new post option, so got it, just click over here. Then here you click on the date you want to schedule content for, just click to create a design, choose your template. Let's go, let's try to choose this template. Once I select this one, like Instagram post, Facebook post or history, design your post as usual, like add text. You can change the text, you can change this thing. Let's remove this one because it is a premium one, that's why. Then once it's done, like design your post as usual, add text, image, videos or Canva elements. When you're happy with the design, you just need to click to the share at the top right. Here you can see there's the option share, and then here you will find out an option called schedule under these sections, and you just need to click over here, schedule. Once you click over here, then you will get the options. As already I mentioned that I am using the free plan, that I am not allowed to use this version of features on my free plan. That's why I just need to update myself to the premium one so I can access this one. Let's go talk about further more about the schedule. Like we have a couple of other options. Let's click to the apps. Once I click over here, then here you can see, let's click to the apps again. Okay, let's go to the home. First of all, you just need to go to the home. Once you come back to this place, you just need to be click to the apps, and here you just need to be click to the planner. So now here you can see we already created an event. Here just change the month and try to add new. So here you can see we are allowed to add a post over here. So if you want to connect your social media, you are allowed to connect it through this option. So let's try to connect our Pinterest. Just click over here, connect Pinterest, and then eventually you can see that we just need to give access. Just click to the give access, and here eventually it will be connected. So in this way you can easily connect your account like Instagram business, Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, Tumblr, whatever you want, you are able to connect it. Then you can easily create post for your Pinterest also. This is the easiest way. Then we have public or publish a social media post, you just need to click over here. Similarly, you just need to be choose your presentation or post from that place. Just select this one, and this way you just need to be go to the next panel, and here you just need to be add a captions over here. Then select channel, you just need to be select your premium channel where your premium profile is connected, then you are allowed to post it here. So next we are going to talk about this last one, take a social media lesson. Just click over here, and this where you will get all the tutorial. Like here you can see master social media. Just click over here and it will be play over here to get information about master social media.
Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to Canva Design.
So here you can see, so this is the tutorial section where you can know everything. Like it is a tutorial which will help you to know further about the Canva here, as you can see it. So you can check whole lessons and you will get great things. And there is a couple of other things like create engaging social content, plan stream your strategy, then grow your brand. Then this is the thing we have: digital marketing proposal, AI, the classroom, Canva design skill for students, then Canva for entertainment professions, then Canva essential, and many more. Then you can start a course from here. Just click over that place, and then you can see it will redirect you here. So Canva planner is a great essential thing if you want to become good on social media. So once you're done, like you can also, like you already created an post, you make a schedule. Now you want to change or edit or the schedule. So how you can do it? If you need to make changes, click on the post on your content planner. Just click over here, the script image, and from that place you can edit the event. Like it is really easy. You can change the date. You can like click over here, and let's go to the 10 and just click to the save, and you can see that our date has been changed. Like you just need to click to the update and Canva will handle the rest. Let me give you a tip on this section that you can connect multiple social accounts in Brand Hub social accounts to manage them all in one place. So now we are going to talk about track and stay organized. Use the calendar view to see all upcoming posts at a glance, then avoid gaps in your posting schedule and keep consistent branding across platform. Bonus tip, like batch your content, design a week or month worth of posts in one sessions to save time. So I hope you understand how you can use this content planner for you to make your work more organized. So let's wrap up the video here, and I can say that's it. Now you know how to use the Canva content planner to schedule and publish your social media content in 2025, all from one simple dashboard. No extra scheduling tools needed. Save time and stay consistent, and the main thing, look professional on all your platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you would like a tutorial on Canva Pro feature, design tips, or content strategy for social media. Thanks for watching and happy planning.